guys, so second video. Yeah, I went to IMATS on Friday for the Makeup Artist Pro Day. My day started at 9 AM and I did the Kat Von D Masterclass, the bridal one, Under the Veil, with one of their top makeup artists, Tara. And they gave us this amazing goodie bag. Let me show you it right here. So I just wanted to show you all the freebies that I got from that masterclass. So the first one is the Shade and Light Contour Palette. So this is actually one of the more famous products and I really loved it. So let's just open that up. There are instructions how to use the palette. And this is what it looks like inside. So they use cool, warm and deep dark tones, and you can figure out by the color of your veins on your arms which tone you are. So if your veins are more blue, then you go for the cool tones. If they're more green, you go for the warm. And that's how you are supposed to use this, according to Tara. We've got the Lock-It Hydrating Primer and Base. So you use this underneath your foundation. It's this white kind of colour. And the Lock-It part is this bit here. So there is no mess when it comes to the bottle or any leakage, which a lot of makeup actually does have. Liquid foundations, that is. We have the Lock-It Setting Powder in translucent. I think this is a mini one. Go. We have the number 2 powder contour brush to go with our Shade and Light palette. Looks like this. There you go. What else did we get? The Studded Kiss cream lipstick. So this is in White Out, which is used for highlighting the lips, so you're creating that kind of contour. And at the masterclass we actually used it mixed in with the lip gloss. So here it is, the White Out. Go. Fully white. And this kind of goes in the middle. Then you kind of blend it in with whatever colour you're using to kind of give that contoured effect, which looks better in pictures. We have the tattoo liner, the famous tattoo liner. So we found out that there's actually a new liner that's coming out, which is supposed to be amazing, according to Tara. Here's our tattoo liner that we used in our makeup masterclass. And then it looks like this. It's kind of like a pen. Great for cat eyes. And what else do we have? I think that's it. Yep, that's it. So then we got, obviously, the little Kat Von D pen. We got our notepad, which I've put over here on the side. So we go. Notepad. I made all my notes in, going through the masterclass. A lot of drawing, a lot of notes. And then we got the Kat Von D Artistry Collective here, which has all these amazing looks in them all the way. And a lot of other cool looks as well. And then I put in between my certificate. Thank you for watching my video. I am going to get better at these, I promise. Still a bit nervous when I record these. But yeah, the masterclass was absolutely unbelievable. I would definitely recommend it, even if you aren't a trained makeup artist, because it's just fantastic. And the freebies were actually like some of the best products that Kat Von D actually has. So that was pretty unbelievable. Like, to get the Shade and Light palette, to get the tattoo liner, I was just like, I'm gonna buy this anyway, but I got it for free, so it was pretty good. Yeah, if you're gonna go to IMATS again, definitely do a masterclass. The Kat Von D one was unbelievable, so I definitely recommend that. And Tara was fantastic to learn from. She was just really patient and with like everyone, and she was as helpful as she could be, and she let you use some of her own products too. So it was just great. Thanks for watching. Bye.